Kawasaki Colero robot advanced innovation for the industrial world launched. Kawasaki Robotics, a leading company in robotics technology, recently launched their latest industrial robot, Colero, which promises a revolution in factory automation and efficiency. Kawasaki Robotics, part of Kawasaki Heavy Industries, again shows its commitment to creating advanced innovation by launching its latest industrial robot Colero. This robot is designed to increase productivity, precision, and flexibility in various industrial sectors, from manufacturing to automotive. Colero is equipped with the latest AI technology and an intuitive programming system, allowing this robot to work more efficiently and easily adapt to various types of work. The main advantage of Colero is its ability to work with a high level of accuracy in various industrial environments, including limited space or tasks that require extra precision. Artificial intelligence, AI, Colero is able to learn and adapt to various tasks independently, increasing flexibility in industrial applications. Compact and flexible design, with its smaller size and modular design, Colero is easily adaptable to a variety of jobs and environments. Energy efficiency. This robot is designed to reduce energy consumption, enabling significant savings in operating costs. Easy operation. Colero is equipped with an easy-to-use programming interface, even for users with no previous robotics experience. The launch of Colero is expected to accelerate the adoption of automation in the global manufacturing sector by providing a more affordable and accessible solution for companies of all sizes. We are excited to introduce Kawasaki Colero to the world. With its incredible adaptability, we believe this robot will be an important part of advancing Industry 4.0 and help companies around the world achieve higher productivity and efficiency goals. The launch of Colero marks an important step for Kawasaki Robotics in expanding their industrial robot portfolio, providing innovative solutions that not only benefit large companies, but are also accessible to small and medium-sized businesses. With the latest technology carried, Kawasaki Colero is ready to become a new leader in the robotics industry and bring significant changes to the manufacturing world. What is the next information? Look forward to other updated information, only on Mitamoto. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so that we can build this channel together. Thank you and see you.